So I'm having an issue with my starter gear not fully retracting. It's retracted right now, but it's an intermittent problem, so I've decided I'm just going to replace the whole starter since I have 2 extra starters. But it keeps hitting the flywheel, making it chattering, and it's a pretty obnoxious thing to listen to. So since I'm got the time, I'm going to go ahead and just replace the starter. Okay, this is the new one. Well, new one. It's got all these cut wires on it, so we'll just take these off. When I did this was a 15 millimeter for the big one, and on that one it was an 8 millimeter. Let's see if it's the same. I don't think it is. Nope. Now let's find out which one this one is. Okay, 5/16 on this one. Now, before I completely wrap up, I like to check my work. I know it's really dirty. There's the wires up against the heat shield. I think that's alright. I already tightened the bolts. Now I can lower it and start it. Now I'm going to start it up, see if it's making any noise. That's neat. Go and cycle it again. Starter even sounds better. Great. I'd call that a victory.